Welcome back, Tech Fam. Today's top tech stories are blazing hot. From India's latest flagship phone to quantum computing dreams, AI partnerships, and even some massive crypto moves, let's get started. First up, Vivo drops the T4 Ultra in India. It's powered by the Dimensity 9300 Plus, rocks a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh, and packs a massive 5500 mAh battery with 90-watt charging. But the real flex? A triple camera system with 100x zoom, starting at 37,999 rupees. Is this the new budget flagship killer? Let us know. Next, some groundbreaking innovation from India. Researchers at IIT Indore have developed a DNA-style watermark for protecting semiconductor hardware designs. Why does this matter? Because it can stop tech piracy in AI, medical, and machine learning chips. India isn't just consuming tech, it's building it. Now, here's a shocker. OpenAI is teaming up with Google Cloud. Yes, you heard that right. Even as rivals, they're partnering to scale ChatGPT's infrastructure using Google's cloud muscle. This shows us one thing: in AI, competition and collaboration go hand in hand. IBM just revealed plans for a quantum computing superweapon called Starling, and it's expected by 2029. This beast will be 20,000 times faster than today's best computers. The US government is backing it with a $150 billion tech investment. So, is the quantum age finally here? Nvidia is building Europe's first industrial-grade AI cloud in Germany. This isn't just about data centers. It's about giving factories and enterprises access to real-time AI at scale. Germany's tech transformation just went turbo. In crypto news, Apple is being nudged to buy Bitcoin instead of doing stock buybacks. Interesting. Ripple has pledged $5 million to boost blockchain adoption in Asia Pacific. And Franklin Templeton is launching yield tokens on Stellar and Polygon. The crypto world is clearly evolving again. Deloitte just dropped a report outlining India's next big moves: quantum-safe encryption, advanced AI integration, and homegrown chip design are all heating up. India's digital dominance? Looks like it's closer than we think. Global tech stocks are on fire. Small-cap tech companies are leading the charge, and in India, giants like Infosys, HCL Tech, and Tech Mahindra are driving the Sensex upward. Foreign investors are coming back in a big way. Is this the next big rally, or just the calm before the correction? And that's a wrap on today's Tech Roundup. Which news got your attention? The Vivo phone, the IBM Quantum Leap, or that Google OpenAI alliance? Comment below, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of tech insights. See you in the next one.